That's interesting, Lila. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For those who haven't been here before, my name's Anna. So I had every intention of doing Vlogmas this year and got off to quite a good start, and then we had some really sad news. For those who follow me on Instagram and TikTok, you know our lovely little collie dog died unexpectedly after a really short illness, so that kind of threw a spanner in the works of doing Vlogmas because we just really weren't feeling it. And that's coming up to 2 weeks ago now, so yeah, it's just not been the most fun of times really, but I'm on annual leave now. I've been on annual leave for a few days. I had my COVID vaccination, so I've been feeling really tired. Not sure if it's vaccine related or if I'm just really tired from work, so I've got a few days before I go back to work for the Christmas period. Yay! And I'd just like to say thank you for all the lovely messages we had about Scrappy Doo and him passing. It was really nice because obviously, yeah, we've had him for 13 years and it was just such a shock really. Yeah, so it'll be our first Christmas without him, and yeah, it's just really sad. But anyway, so today I've just done a school run. It's Lila's last day at school. It's pretty foggy, miserable day, so I'm gonna go home and try and get my house in some sort of order before Christmas. So I think there's just stuff everywhere. Well, I'll show you in a minute. It's just a disaster. To show you, I'm just currently sat on the moors, pulled up to show you. So this is Princetown. This is where I live, in the middle of nowhere on Dartmoor. Okay, so I've just got in. In my defence, we went to the Panto last night. Brilliant socially distanced Panto down at Theatre Royal in Plymouth. And then I've just done a school run, so not really tidied up. I'll just show you the state of my house. I think we'll start in the kitchen. It's actually horrendous. Are you ready for this? Oh my god. So there's literally stuff everywhere. I don't think there's anywhere that's kind of clean. See, and I'm living with loads of boxes everywhere. The elves ripped up Lila's calendar last night. She didn't seem too fussed though. I think she's forgiven them. Yeah. So I'm going to get cracking and tidy up before I do anything else. And that anything else will probably be lots and lots of wrapping. You know, things are serious when the mummy bun comes out. Really need to sort out these glasses too. They've just been up there for yonks. And I mean, there's wine glasses and all sorts there that never get used. Not sure I was prepared for the mess that I had to make to kind of sort things out. I'll show you. My gosh. So yeah, just sorting out all my cupboards. I've sorted out all my glasses and mugs, and I've put a lot outside that hopefully people will help themselves to. Yeah, so you've got to make a mess before you can tidy properly. So cleaning the kitchen and sorting the cupboards have just taken the best part of 5 hours. Lila's home from school and I'm going to sit down with my first cup of tea of the day. It's dark outside, so I'm hello Lila! I'm coming to film you.
Wait, what? What? You were making a video today?
I'm making a video today.
Hi.
Oh.
I left school. I've been partying because we had to do some sort of PE. So then we done musical chairs, musical what's it called? Musical statues, and some
Discoing. I love a bit of
and I told
discoing.
my best friend on the first round of musical chairs that I know I will come. I'll be the first eliminated, and I was.
Were you?
Yeah.
So that's it. School is over until next year. Let me film. Mouse is being so needy. Right, let me just show. Because I've been cleaning the kitchen for 9 million years. Cheese and pickled onion festive sandwich and a cup of tea. This is the stuff I didn't realise that you brought home because there's no Chris Tingle service this year.
Well, there was online, but you know.
We missed it. Right, show me what's in your bag then, because I've not actually seen.
There was this, the red.
Oh.
What was what?
Does that go around the orange?
Yeah, that was it represents blood and love.
Blood and love.
And orange.
Nice.
What represents a world. Some sweets for me to eat now.
Aren't you meant to put them in your orange?
Oh, I got Haribo's for that.
Oh, okay.
So I'm just going to have one now.
Okay, little sweet. This is so kind, isn't it, at the school?
Tinfoil.
Lovely. And a candle. Oh, so we could do that in a moment, couldn't we? We could do some gingerbread making and make your little orange and instructions.
And
Did you get given a book as well?
Yeah.
Like, so you got a free book?
Or
you
copy.
Oh, that's so lovely. And all your cards. So, because I've been cleaning the kitchen all day and rushing around, I've not actually thought about anything for dinner. But I don't know if I'm the only one. I know I can't be the only one that does this. I'm doing that really annoying thing where we are living out of the freezer and the cupboards to make room for the Christmas food. So, yes, it's going to be slim pickings tonight. Yeah, it's literally a case of just using up everything. And I've pretty much done all my Christmas shopping already, food-wise, because I go back to work next week. But we can't eat that yet, it's too early. That'd be cheating. So I'm gonna defrost these sausages that I found in the freezer, put it in a dish with beans, tomatoes, bit of bacon, bit of veg, and some mashed potatoes, and have a sausage casserole. Oh my goodness, these will come out like they're gonna explode. I'm scared, I'm gonna pop. Ah! No, I can't cope. So it really doesn't look too appetizing. Put some garlic pepper on. But hopefully it will look much better and taste nice when it's cooked. And some really frozen roast potatoes that I found in the freezer. Look, definitely a bit frosty. So while that cooks, I'm going to go and do something fun. Right, what one are we going to do first?
This one.
Okay,
Mine
biscuits. Do you think that'd be a disaster?
No.
Nah. Favourite are Lidl's, I think. No? Yes, it did. Lidl's.
There's a lot. There's a lot.
This is £3.99.
There's a lot.
This one came from Lidl's. Snatchy McGrabby. What's the string for then? Oh, to hang on the tree. The tree decoration. £3.99. Let's get it all out. Smells so good. Okay, don't get your COVID germs near it.
I don't have COVID.
Oh, no, I don't. Oh, look, they're really pretty. I have just washed my hands repeatedly.
Oh, I haven't.
Oh, well, go and wash your hands then before you touch the cookies. Good girl.
Oh, wait, play.
Right, that's a lot. That's a lot. So I thought this was just icing, but reading the instructions, you have to beat an egg white and put this stuff in with it. Okay.
There, hopefully.
So just show everyone our lovely egg basket.
My mum
Okay.
just said there's like some slimy bits.
There is. There's something horrible on the flour.
Shall I just keep on filming?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I'll film. You can beat it. We'll take turns of beating the egg white. Okay, so I'll go and get a cup. Everyone, you eating a biscuit. Eating an undecorated biscuit because you can't wait. Okay. Just as we need to separate. Whoa, the egg yolk. I can't remember how you do it. Oh, there we go. Why are these eggs warm? Is it because my hands are so cold? Okay, that's it. Ugh, gloopy. It's like egg snot.
I'm zooming in.
Right, I think that's as good as we're going to get it. Just leave a little egg yolk there. Oh, right, I better get rid of it. You can pause it now. Sugar powder. No, let me do it first because you'll pour it all over the table.
It made me
Just
sad.
a little. I just put it in very. I'll pour half in. I'll pour half in very gently. Are you just filming your face? Don't lie, love.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
We have love.
Do you want to put some in? What do you think of the kitchen, Tyler? What do you think of the kitchen?
Yeah, it's much nicer now.
Okay, we can't have gone wrong already. So beat the egg white. Yeah. Okay, I think that's mixed. So we need to put it in the bag. This is the bag and some lovely scissors. Oh, she cut my finger. And I'll put it in.
Can I zoom in so I can actually see it?
Wow, this could take a while.
I'll come back.
Oh. Okay, we're having a situation, that's it.
To make the cookies.
Right, let me just scrape that last little bit out. It's not easy. Show me yours. Looks like it's been sick. Like snow. Snowman sick. Are you doing the snowflake? I was going to do that next.
Right.
It's a bit tricky. I think we're going to run out of icing.
Because of me. You say I done it on purpose.
You did do it on purpose.
I didn't.
I think you put all that icing on that biscuit so you could eat it all. And then look, you've snapped his head off and everything.
Mummy!
Right, I am actually going to do this one perfectly.
I don't
I'm not
believe you.
mucking
No,
around.
no. You're not. Okay. Concentration.
So it's happening. It looks alright. Do you hear my voice then? Alright. It's working.
I'm zooming in.
Don't scare it. What, on my bauble?
Yowzers.
Yowzers.
Scream if you mess up.
It's like... Oh, I got messed up. Oh. It's like that game where you have to go along the electrical bars without it touching them.
What game?
You know. the game with the
Uno.
No. Does Uno have metal bars in it? Nom. It's not too bad. Okay, so that was a quick, easy, cheap meal, and it's emptied out the freezer. So I'm just waiting for the veg and some garlic bread that I found to cook, and that's dinner done. It's pretty old school really, isn't it? Sausage casserole. Lila. Yoo-hoo! Are you eating your dinner? I see you sniffing your stinky blankie there.
Camera.
Oh, it's horrible. Hang on, I need to put shoes on because my slippers will get wet. Okay, so we put some glasses and mugs out for people to help themselves to. So we're going to see, have they gone? I'm going fast. Right. Oh, it's horrible.
Oh my.
Have they gone? Yeah, most of them are gone. Some of them are. Yep, they've gone. So Lila's gone off to bed now. Sounds like there's a really big storm going on outside. Don't know if you can hear this. Listen. Don't know if you can hear the rain and the wind. It's blowing a gale out there. So I'm gonna probably wrap some presents. I've got a mountain of them. Watch some Christmas TV. I've got a Radio Time, so I'm going to go through and circle everything that I'm planning to watch on my days off. And yeah, maybe have a coffee and some biscuits. So thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, then please do subscribe. See you very soon. Bye.